Hey everyone, welcome to the video. In this video, I will show you how to stop Google from indexing your GoHighLevel funnels. By that, what I mean is if you have a funnel and you don't want Google to index that funnel or have the pages of the funnel show up in Google search, you can actually put a very small code in the funnel settings that will stop Google from indexing or showing your page or showing your funnel pages on Google search. Here, as you can see, I have a funnel which is called HVAC Live Funnel, and this is basically the URL. Right now, if we look at Google, let's just copy this funnel URL, go to google.com and just search for sites, enter the URL. And if you do this, currently, as you can see, it's showing up on Google search. So if you click on this, it will take you to that funnel page. But I want Google to erase this page from Google search because I don't want people to follow my funnel strategies or follow my funnel layout and stuff. So if you want to do any of that, all you need to do is just go to settings. Hey there, everyone. Just wanted to take a few seconds from this video to talk about my school community, where if you join, first of all, you get to ask me questions about high level, Google ads, meta ads, SMMA, anywhere you're stuck in the build, any issues you're facing on anything. You can see there's loads of questions in the community. We interact here all the time. Then you can have access to all my courses in the classroom. I have courses on GoHighLevel automation, AI, courses on Google PPC ads, meta ads, how to launch your SMMA, how to scale your SMMA, and a bunch of other stuff. Also, there's a template library you can see here. A lot of resources on Google ads, meta ads, funnels, GoHighLevel workflows. There are built-in snapshots ready to go. Literally load into your account and then start using them. Loads of GoHighLevel CSS, and I'm adding stuff to it every day. And one of my most favorite things in the community is the calendar section, where we have a couple of events going on every week. First of all, there's the weekly Q&A. Secondly, there's the weekly coaching session where we cover a specific topic every week, and then we do a short Q&A on that topic. So if you want to join the community, there's a link in this video's description, which will take you to the sign up page, and I will see you on the other side. Now let's get back to the video. And on the head tracking section, all you need to do is just put this meta robot, no index, no follow. So I'll just put the code again, and let's just remove everything from here. So in the head tracking section, all you need to do is just paste this piece of code, and this will basically prevent Google from tracking your pages or indexing your pages or showing your pages on Google search. Now, if I go to this page and I just go to view page source, I'll just have to do a control F. So control F and then search for no index. So if it's visible here, that means the code worked properly, and this page will not show up on Google anymore. If it's already showing up, then you have to give it some time, maybe 2, 3, or maybe 1 week for Google to erase this page, because you just put this code and it will take some time for Google to know that this code has been updated. So that's basically what I wanted to share in this video. If this was useful, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one.